Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about AWS Global Infrastructure. If you are new to cloud computing or just want to understand how AWS manages to provide us such reliable and scalable services, this video is for you. So let's get started. AWS Global Infrastructure is designed to provide a secure, scalable, and highly available environment for your applications. It's built around three key components: AWS Regions, Availability Zones, and Edge Locations. Let's break this down, starting with AWS Regions. An AWS region is a physical location around the globe where we cluster data centers. AWS has multiple regions worldwide. Each of them has multiple availability zones. Regions allow you to deploy applications closer to your end users, reducing latency and improving performance. For example, if your customers are primarily in Europe, you might choose to deploy your applications in the AWS Europe region to ensure faster response times. Think of regions as different branches of a company spread across the globe. Each branch serves its local community, but collectively ensures the company operates smoothly worldwide. Now let's talk about availability zones. Availability zones, or AZs, are isolated locations within an AWS region. Each AZ consists of one or more independent data centers, each with redundant power, networking, and connectivity. This design helps ensure that even if one AZ experiences an issue, the others remain unaffected, allowing your applications to stay up and running. So availability zones are like individual buildings in a city, each equipped with its own power and water supply. If one building faces a problem, the other can still operate normally, ensuring that the city's essential services continue without interruption. If you look at this diagram, you can find out that there are 33 AWS regions, 105 global, 105 availability zones, and 600 plus CloudFront POPs. If you look at this image, you will see that these green things, these are all active regions or available regions. If you look at this diagram, it says that availability zones are 3. That means in Canada Central we have 3 availability zones. If you look into these, AWS Gulf Cloud or Northern Virginia, Ohio, it has availability zone 3 and it launched in 2006. If you look at Northern Virginia, which I am interested to show you, is launched in 2006 and it has 6 availability zone. So this is one of the very fast region AWS launched in early 2006. Now you should have a fair idea on AWS regions and availability zones. You can also see some 41 local zones, 29 wavelength zones. If you're interested in, you can deep dive and learn about them. And anytime you open your console, like I'm about to log in my AWS account and I'm inside my console, you should be able to see these on the top right, that these are the name. These are actually human readable name, like US East Ohio. These are the regions. So you select which region you wanted to really launch your service, such as it can be a EC2 instance, it can be anything. So whatever you choose is gonna be launched there. Now you need to remember there are some services which is global. That means it do not have to deploy specifically to a region. But to keep it simple and easy, that this is a place where you can choose region, you can decide where you want to launch your service. By understanding the structure of AWS Global Infrastructure, you can make informed decisions about how to architect your applications for maximum performance, reliability, and security. Whether you are deploying a simple website or a complex distributed system, AWS provides the tools and infrastructure you need to succeed. I hope this gives you a clear understanding of AWS Global Infrastructure or region and availability zones. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.